In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products to Wayfair from Excel, CSV mapping. We'll start by heading to your browser and searching for Sell with Wayfair. Open the official partner site, then sign in to your seller account. Use your usual secure login method and, if prompted, complete any verification so you're taken to the partner dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the option to add products and click Add New Products. This is where you'll decide how you want to upload your catalog. You'll see two paths, Quick Upload and Guided Upload. Quick Upload is best if you already know Wayfair's templates and have your data ready to map. Guided Upload is helpful if you want extra prompts and checks along the way. Choose the approach that fits your comfort level and click into it. Next, download the template. You'll be asked to choose a class, which is Wayfair's product category structure. Picking the correct class makes sure you get the right columns for your product type. For example, a chair versus a light fixture will have different required attributes. Select the class that matches your items, then click Add Selected Class. With the class set, download the template again so you have the exact fields you need for that category. Open the template in your spreadsheet tool. You'll notice required and optional columns. Required fields typically include SKU, product name, brand, dimensions, weights, and compliance details, while optional fields help enrich your listing, like additional attributes and marketing copy. This is where CSV mapping matters. Align your existing column headers to the template's headers so each piece of data lands in the correct place. Keep your data clean, no merge cells, avoid special characters in numeric fields, and use consistent units. If the template expects image URLs, use publicly accessible links. For variants like sizes or colors, follow the template's variation fields so related products are correctly grouped. When you're done, ensure the file is in the supported format, typically CSV, and keep a backup. Back on the portal, click Upload. Choose the completed template file from your computer, then click Submit. Wayfair will validate the file and let you know if anything needs fixing. If you see errors, read the messages carefully, adjust your CSV to correct missing or misformatted data, and upload again. Successful uploads will move your products into processing for review and publication. That's it. You've searched for the Wayfair seller portal, signed in, selected your upload method, downloaded the right template by class, mapped and prepared your CSV, and uploaded it for submission. Follow these steps each time to keep your catalog consistent and compliant.